Well, day 22 of the harvest log, and we are right up, well, heading up towards the top of the hill. The milling wheat is all done. Most of the group 2 is done. The KWS X days having some really good results. Yeah, certainly in terms of yield. DSV Champion, that's all done for seed. That's done exceptionally well. We're moving up onto some feed wheat. This is Graham. We don't usually grow feed wheat up here. It's usually a sort of a biscuit wheat, but in the quest to try and reduce a little bit of nitrogen, we thought we'd try some feed wheats up here. Early indications are pretty stunning in terms of what the combine's showing yield wise, sort of hovering between 11 and 12 tons per hectare on about 130 kilograms of nitrogen up here. This is quite thin Cotswold brash soil. After a pretty big 16-way species cover crop mix, and then it was hand-picked peas before that. So a pretty good result, landing on the wrong side of the combine. So we're running with the STU, seed control unit, engaged. It is drawing quite a lot of horsepower on the bank. Big crop, a lot of straw. So it probably is slowing us down a little bit, which might be a problem in a wet year even more so. But it is doing quite a good job. So yeah, the view from the hill. There's been a couple of fires that we've seen this morning. There's one right over in the distance, so we're just moving a water bowser up. That's Mark actually just in the corner at the end of the wood there, just bringing it up here. It's got 8,000 litres of water. We're going to try and move that round with the combine now, as the temperatures are set to build. So yeah, stay safe out there everybody. We've got about 120 hectares up here to do. Weather forecast is good. Nice little heat haze coming off there. Got a few skylark plots out here, which are areas of wheat that we've sprayed off to act as landing patches for our very healthy population of skylarks. There's just one here actually. A little bit of maize game cover, and then some wild bird seed mix which we won't harvest, just on the other side of that against the wood. So yeah, harvest pressing on.